After the last frost, sow your green onion seeds in average soil and cover them with half a centimeter of soil. Alternatively, the seeds can be started a few weeks earlier, indoors, for an earlier harvest. Make sure to water. Once the plants sprout, they should be spaced about 8 centimeters apart. However, green onions can handle a bit of crowding. Another common way of growing green onions is removing a couple inches off the ends of store-bought ones and planting those directly into the soil. You'll be able to harvest within 1 to 2 weeks with this method, however, it won't last as long as ones grown from seed. Keep the soil evenly moist, but not overwatered. The plants should get full sun each day, but they can tolerate partial shade. Green onions are generally low maintenance, but watch out for onion maggots and thrips. Avoid soggy soil to prevent rot. If your green onions begin to produce flower stalks, also known as bolting, you should remove them to extend the plant's life. Bolting is usually a result of hot weather or stress. Your green onions grown from seed should be ready to harvest around 2 months after sowing. Remove all but 1 inch of the plant, and it will likely continue to grow back several times.